How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to clean my Leatherman Surge. It's been a long time. You can see there's a lot of lint in there, pocket lint. So I'm going to show you guys what I use. Yeah, you can see all that shit inside. It's been over like 6 months. I'm going to first take out the pocket clip. There you go. Put that on the side. Number one thing I like to use is Ballistol. This stuff is great. It's even good for like wood tables, anything. It smells like shit. A lot of people say it smells like licorice. I don't think so. You can use it on your firearms. Some people use WD-40 and stuff like that, but I think this is better stuff, especially for like, stainless steel and metal. This is 420 HC, but I'm going to show you how I clean it. Majority of the things we're going to use is, the Q-tips, just to get in the crevices and such. But I can feel it's not like as, smooth and stuff. So I'm going to kind of, get in there in the nicks and crannies. My fiance gave me like an iPhone, what's it called, to get in the ports and stuff. So this really helps. I use that mostly on this to get in like the small grooves and stuff. I'll show you after. And the joints to get in there. But this stuff works amazing. I highly recommend it, Ballistol. It does smell, but it's very easy to use. And I usually just kind of glob it on there. When I go inside, I just open it up, get right in there. Usually you can get, yeah, see? I can get in the grooves if I wanted to. This is a great cleaner. Look at that. A lot of shit. This is a great cleaner to use, Ballistol. Hitchcock 45 uses it. He loves this stuff. He says it's like a frying pan. But look at all that. That's just one Q-tip. I usually go in each one. But you can see all the lubrication. It's very slick. So it's really nice to have. I'll go in each one. Let me zoom out a little bit better. This you can kind of take apart. So that's nice. We'll throw it on the side. And I'll get inside there again. Q-tips are cheap, so you can just keep using it. I would advise putting like a paper towel down like that. Or a, microfiber. That's my... See how much junk is in there. That's all pocket lint, just sitting in your pocket, and it's gonna be nice and smooth once it's done, but we'll get it nice. Just remember which ones you did and which ones you didn't do. See, there's still crap in there. I'm gonna get more paper towel or Q-tips. Scissors. I love maintaining stuff. That's one thing I do like to do, is maintaining, making sure things work like they're supposed to. I'm an engineer, so I kind of twirl it inside too as well while I move it back and forth. Look at that. All that dirt and shit. You can see there's a lot of grime. We'll get that with the small Q-tip. I'll show you that after. Just to serrate it. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a few more Q-tips though. You can use these on, knives. If you have Spyderco, use the Ballistol. Great stuff. Hitchcock recommends it. Yeah, this shit is kind of nasty. The pocket clip. You can see it takes off a lot. And you got two sides of a, Q-tip. They're cheap. I get in there too. So I just open it up like this. Some people take it apart, but it's been fine this way. I just get in there. It's got a lot of shit inside. Just satisfying getting it clean. And getting all the joints clean too. I'm gonna get more paper or Q-tips. Hold on one sec. There we go. So I'll just put a dirty pile on the side for now. Yeah, you can see. I just make a slit in the ballistol just so it doesn't pour out. But this is great lubrication. The only thing negative is, like I said, it smells. But it prevents rust as well, so that's awesome. I don't think it's that expensive either. I bought it at a gun store. Let me see. Lubricates, penetrates, protects, and preserves firearms, leather, knives, tools, locks, marine, wood, metal, and rubber. Eco-friendly as well. No carcinogens. Money back guaranteed. But yeah, it's supposed to help prevent against rust as well. Makes a very, very slick finish. That looks pretty good. You can feel it though. It's just very slick now. That's good. I like to do the plier heads as well. Just pour some of this shit on. This will prevent rust. I'm not into WD-40, using that as a lubricant. WD-40 is water disbursement. It's not specifically a lubricant. I like to try to get every nick and cranny. A little rust building on that. So we'll get that. Alright. Now we're gonna use the small, see the small things? Here, I'll zoom in a little just so you can see it. This, I like to get like in there, these little crannies, I'll show you. You can see like right in here where the lock is. You want to get some in there, right there, some in here. You can't really fuck it up either. It's good stuff. There we go. You can feel how smooth it is too, the action working itself in. Yeah, this stuff is my favorite. Ballistol. I kind of like just getting in every little nick and cranny. You can see all the lint. That one's kind of dirty, so just get another one. They're cheap, the Q-tips, you know. It's not gonna kill you. You can see all that in there. Oop. These are perfect for like, I'll try to find a link, but I think she got it on eBay for me. To get in each nick and cranny. But you can get like in between the washers and stuff. It's great. I just find it therapeutic cleaning. Maybe I'm the only one that does. You can feel the action so much smoother now. Cool. It's very, very slick too. after I, add lubricant, I like to just kind of get in there, just kind of dry it off, get any extra lint in there that's built up. Like I said, you don't have to take it apart to, make it run good. You can do it like this. I had a Leatherman for 10 years and I never cleaned it. It was like just so built up with pocket lint and shit, and it didn't work so good. But this stuff helps a lot. I like just getting in everything. Surge doesn't even really need it. No, it does. You can see all that lube. It's good for the joints and stuff too. Metal on metal contact. It's great for that. I'll leave a link down below though, this ball of stuff. It's awesome. Looks like new now. You kind of just work it in. Then you can, if you wanted to, put a little bit on the blade, the saw. Get a little bit in there. And then I just kind of rub it in. Put that away. The clip, just so it doesn't rust or anything. Just put a little bit of drop on it. Good to go. I've only had one clip that broke on me on Leatherman. Just one. And then for finishing touches, I usually just take this, do a little drops here and there. If it comes out. Maybe that's a little too much, but I just rub it with a cloth. Get it all around. And then I kind of let it dry after too. You can do each knife, just be careful. I still have it on the cloth. Just don't cut yourself. That's good. Whew, that is lubed, you can feel it. I just put a little bit. Actually, that's kind of a lot, but that's okay. Kind of lube the hinges, just so the spring is good. Oh yeah, that is springy now. Just wipe it off, make sure to wipe it off. Look how dirty that is. Put a little drop on that. See that? I love doing maintenance on things. I just think it's kind of fun. Because you're using it every day. Might as well take care of it, right? There you go. Make sure you get a little bit on the hinges. We'll do that for safekeeping. Let me zoom out a little bit. I like to just get the hinges one last time. We'll open each one. Just don't cut yourself. Get the hinges. Let it work its magic. Hinges. Hinges, let it work its magic. go. There we go. A lot cleaner though. You don't see any more lint or anything. And it feels so much better. I could probably open it one-handed. Let's try. Alright. Maybe a little tough. But it's very, very slick. And I just like to wipe it off after with the microfiber, old microfiber. And she's like new again. Very easy to open. Very springy as well. All the mechanisms work. I usually put a little bit here too as well. This doesn't really need it though. And right here is where the pocket clip goes back in. So you just push it back in. Like new again. It has a lot of slack. A lot of people ask that, but it's just the nature of the beast that this has slack in it, unfortunately. I think the Wave has less slack. And we will put this back too. Oop. What the hell is going on? Oh. I'd probably do this maybe outside or in the garage. It just stinks. This ballast doll. But that's pretty much it. Great stuff. I highly recommend it. Hitchcock does too. He does a lot of, gun videos and such. This stuff is awesome. I'll leave a link down below. I always use it. Way better than WD-40 for your firearms and, multi-tools and stuff like that, knives. But, all right, thanks guys for watching. Hope this was fun to watch. Just kind of a, maintenance video and how I clean my multi-tools and, my knives and such. Thanks for watching. Take care.